So when I open it, I have already my main menu with the principal commands. So to put this form as a main menu, I had to go in the backstage view and then click on option. After that, on current database, and then when it's written display form, I could choose which form I want to see as my first page. So I chose main menu. Okay. So then I have the main patient and snack information offered to me. So I can either open the patient first floor table like that, so I have every information. Or let's say my boss is asking me a report, so I could export my patient first floor table into a PDF and then save it in my document and then send it to him. Also, it's possible to create queries, so I can choose the relevant information for me and then make a form with it. So I already have made two. So if I want to know in which room I have to go to give a second snack, I would click on my second snack queries, and because I sorted them in ascending order, I have in ascending order my room I have to go give a second snack. So if I want to do it in descending order, I would go into design view, and then where it's written sort, I would click on descending. Then if I would run the queries, now it's in descending order. Also, if I would like to know in which room I have to go give a banana, I could run the banana query. So now I know I have to go in room 1, 2, 3, 7, and 10 two times to give a banana. But if I would like to know in which room I can give a second portion, I would go into design view, and then here I would click second portion, and if I don't want to show the criteria, I would unclick here, and then I would write yes, so they will show me on each patient can have a second banana. So then I run it, and then I see that I would only go in room 2, 3, and 10 to give Cecile, Agnes, and Gregory a second banana. So if I want to save it as another query, I would go into File, Save As, Save Object As, Save As, and then I would call it Banana Second Portion. So then when I look into my queries, I have a new one which is called Banana Second Portion. If ever I want my second snack query to be on the main menu, so when I open, I would have it here, I could do it. First, what I have to do is to create a macro. So I create a macro, which will have a sub macro, and then what I want is that my query second snack open, so I choose the action open query, and then I choose second snack. And if ever this would be for my substitute, I would not want her to change the data, so I would choose read-only mode, so she will not be able to change the data in it. So then X, and then I save, and I will call it second snack macro. So then it's saved as a macro, but if I want to put it on my main menu, I will have to change my patient and snack list. So to change it, I will go into design view, and then I will add a button in here that we will link to the macro. So how to do that? We choose a category miscellaneous, and then we choose to run a macro. We will choose the macro we just created, so second snack macro, and then next we will call it second snack macro. So it will open the second snack macro. Next, and then finish. So now we have a new button. So to see if it works, we will click X, save the changes, close the database and save all changes, and then if I reopen it, On my main menu, I have the open second snack macro. So then I click on it and it's the same thing as if I was opening this one. So now I have everything in here on my main menu for my substitute.